All right, here we go with anatomy physiology day 83, our very last day here. So, yeah, making sure this is turned in your last set of warm ups. It's day 81, 82, 83, so make sure you get those turned in. We're right near the end here. So, um, positive moment picture to kind of finish off the year. So, reflect on kind of all the things that we did, and I hope you had a good time. Going back to our warm-up questions, again, just kind of a reminder, last set of warm-ups, turn them in. A little bit of just kind of review questions on there. So I do want to say a big thank you to everybody for all your hard work and effort throughout the year. Anatomy and physiology is a lot of fun in terms of the material that we got to cover, in terms of the activities that we got to do. And I appreciate your enthusiasm and your effort to make the class as wonderful it was. It would have been nice to finish the year in the classroom, finishing up the last dissections and going through stuff. But unfortunately, we didn't. But I think we kind of made the best of the situation that we could. So thank you everybody there. So all right. So on our homework list here, we do have those reviews for units 4, 5, 6, and 7. Those are due 5/27, so make sure that you're working on those. And then the extra credit semester 2 review checklist is on there June 1st, and the semester final study sheet is due June 1st. So those are out there. The final review quizzes are excellent ways to go through and look at material. And then in terms of the study checklist, again, most of them just focusing on getting the study plan, some sort of schedule put together, showing me that you have some idea of what you want to do as we finish up the year. So um, that's kind of covers that. And then schedule wise, so we're down to our last couple days here. So we're reviewing. Um, Mostly you're reviewing on your own. If you have questions, I'll do my best to kind of field questions. But we really kind of want this end of the 27th to be kind of the cutoff day for anything coming in, so you can focus the 28th on social studies and foreign language. Then you have the weekend to turn around and prep for English and the science final. Um, if anybody has any second science or a conflict with English, let me know and we'll get that sorted out. The second is kind of open for conflicts. Then we've got math and religion and baccalaureate and graduation to kind of round out the week there. So normally 20% for the semester grade for the final, but we're switching that so it's 15%. That means that the marking periods 4 through 6 bump up a little bit to 85%. So it kind of fills our grade together that way. So day 82, I made stuff available, made some resources available to you. If you have any questions, you could have posted it on the day 82 discussion. I just checked it. I did not see anything. It's Monday evening right now, but I'll check it again. So on day 83, if you have any questions, go over stuff you want me to go over, and then I'll do my best on day 83 to be available to Canvas chat from 9 to noon, and then from 1 to 4. There may be some time when I'm not on the computer, but I'll do my best to kind of be there when I can. So topics for the semester. So we've got units 4, 5, 6, and 7, mostly kind of nervous system and its senses, endocrine system, blood and cardiovascular system, all kind of all grouped together. Lymphatic immune system and respiratory system sort of go together, and then we've got kind of everything in our abdominal cavity, digestive, urinary, and reproductive system to kind of round us out there. So the final format, 100%, 100 points total, very similar in format to what we've been doing for units 5 and 6. So there'll be 4 sets of 5 matching terms, one from each unit. Multiple choice, we'll have 10 questions each from each unit, so there's a total of 40 questions. And then the essay question, there'll be 2 essay questions. The first one is specific disease or disorder, and then the second one is an evaluation of the course. So 20 points each. So that's kind of on there for you to do it. And feel free to type that up ahead of time and just kind of copy paste drop it in when it gets to the test. So that's that part of it. Day and time scheduled for June 1st. That's Monday, a week from today. So finals will be available to students starting at 11 a.m., closing at 5 p.m. So that's your window is between 11 and 5. It's a 6-hour window. Again, I note this may overlap with English or if you have a second science. So let me know as soon as possible. This is an issue for you, I shouldn't say anatomy physiology, but I can arrange to extend the science closing final time until much later. There's also a small chance I may need all these times, but if it happens, I will do so, and I'll let you know as soon as I can. So Study early, study often, study by answering questions, study with another person. Kind of the more you can interact with it, the better it is. Don't just flip back through the slides and kind of reread them. Turn it into interactive as much as possible. And that gets us down to the end here. So next class is just your final exam. So best of luck to you, and let me know if you have any questions. All right. So long.